1990, I was one of his staff during the time. I worked with him. Kat Binait, sir. Yan. Good evening, sir.
Thank you, Mrs. Velasco. Reverend Father De La Rosa, Division Supervisors who are here, Mr. Demisa, District Supervisor of Panganiban, Principal, Mrs. Bibis Aguilar, Balikbayan, Batch 71, guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed an honor and a pleasure to give my courtesy and welcome to each and every one of us who are here to this very significant and special occasion, the first Panganiban Central Elementary School Grand Alumni Homecoming. This affair is also an opportune time for us to know each other, make new acquaintances, and renew old ones. It is also an occasion for socialization and for all other intents and purposes, hence an affair to remember. At this juncture, the enjoyment and appreciation is in the tone, feeling, and intention to see each other, hear each other, know each other, and sharing one's experiences. These are everlasting gems in our memories, so that there is much to recall and remember when distance will be between us again. Panganiban Central Elementary School during the previous years was not as beautiful and as clean as the Panganiban Central Elementary School now. If it is so, it is due to our benevolent and philanthropic Panganibanons who are able to find greater pastures abroad and share to us the blessings they have. So I am recognizing and thanking these Panganibanons who have made a greater stride to make Panganiban Central Elementary School great, with a special mention to Mr. and Mrs. Teofilo Salvador and family, to Mr. and Mrs. Ray Aquino and family. I hope many more families will follow for the same magnificent obsession. Based from the trend, we can now foretell the bright future of Panganiban Central Elementary School. 5 years or 10 years ago, we cannot tell. Only the event will tell us. My friends, to the administrative and teaching staff of the Panganiban Central Elementary School, more power to you. Good evening and thank you.
Thank you, sir, for a very substantial message. This time, ladies